Hi everyone, welcome to How Ines Rolls. Thanksgiving's over and now I need to buy some groceries, but I am going to go on the lighter side only because I feel like we need to eat some salads after that luscious, wonderful meal. So go with me to Winco. I got Kobe with me, and we're down the aisle of savings. So my thought process with all of this is we're gonna have like 3 dinners of salads, maybe more. So it's time to like kind of get a little bit on the cleaner side. Okay, we spent $175, but probably of that is $20 of stuff that Kobe picked. And I will try to find that first for you. Yeah, it kind of went downhill for a second there. And I was like, oh, that's not what I was coming to the store for. Glad he bought it. So here's part of Kobe's haul. I told him he should come on here and explain why he chose these. Craisins, right? That's pretty good. He got a couple of those. Then he got a whole bunch of M&Ms. And then after the M&Ms, it just kind of goes downhill after that. Some lollipops. I'm like, what are you going to do with all of this stuff? Hershey Kisses. At least these are pretty good. Have you ever had these before? They're kind of like a dinner mint. It's so good. But all of this for Kobe? Maybe he's giving some to his friends. I'll go with that. To balance out all of that sugar, I got stuff to make salads. I think that I explained that I did want to have some salads this week. So I got the baby spinach. I did get some green lettuce and some regular lettuce. I got a couple of these because I like to make a blend with that. It's just so good that way. So that way it just has some different like textures to it and crispness and just really color. I like it having a little bit of color. I also got some cucumbers at Winco. They're only 33 cents each. Isn't that a great price? And then I got an onion because we do have some bell peppers left over from Thanksgiving, so I want to hurry up and use them. So looks like we're having some fajitas. And we'll have some tomatoes for that salad as well. Plus I got some bananas. So I got a bunch. They're a little on the greener side, but that's okay because they will come to life in a day or so. So that is for all of my produce, I believe. Let's keep going. So on those salads, we have here some chicken breasts that I can put right into the freezer. I also got some fresh chicken breasts that I could use those in the next day or so. I also got some frozen hamburger patties. Now, we are not huge fans of the frozen ones, just the ones in the past, but this brand is pretty dang good. We've gotten them now a few times and I will just cook them. They cook so fast on my grill on the stove top. I'll put a slice of cheese on that, kind of let it cool a tiny bit, put it on a salad. So it's kind of like a bunless burger. It's awesome. And then I also got just some regular ground beef, some lean ground beef, because I plan on making also some taco salads this week. So I also have an idea with having some, what's it called? Sloppy Joes on it and some cheese. I've done it before. The family likes it. Seems pretty easy. I also got some rotisserie chicken that can be used for lunches, put on salads as well. We have eggs and some bacon. They're really good priced at Winco. So these are under $3. I think it was like $2.38, and then this was like $1.50. Winco has great prices, am I right? I also wanted to get some waffles. We haven't actually had these in in quite some time. Ezra was done with them, so I just got one small box thinking maybe he can try it and see if he likes it. Then that way he could just try to make it his own breakfast in the morning. He's like, no, I don't want to do that. Okay, we got some of these Kodiak cakes. These are high in protein. It's funny because Kobe was telling me that he wanted to eat better. And he got all that candy. So anyways, this has high in protein. So I can probably make him some of these. He does tend to not like having like protein shakes or when you add the protein powders to things. He says that he can taste it and it's like kind of thick. So we'll see if he really enjoys and likes these, and maybe he will, maybe he won't. Let me know in the comments if you like these. Well, Kobe also picked these, a nice big bag of cereal. So that kid, he goes back and forth, right? But choices, he gets to make choices, and as he gets older, he'll make better ones, I'm sure. Now on to some of the kids' lunches for the next week or so. So I got some wheat and white bread. This is our favorite, Grandma Sycamore. And I believe they were sold under $3, which is a really good sale price. I got some gluten-free granola bars for Paul. And I got these popcorners in kettle corn. These are so good. Let me know if you've tried any of the other flavors for popcorners. They are so good. And also gluten-free. For the lunches, I thought the boys could do some like Cheez-Its. And then just some chips. And this is the turkey I got this time. It seemed to be okay. A lot of the no nitrates, no antibiotics, all those kind of no hormones. We'll see. So it's not very easy to find decent deli meats, but we'll give this a try. So let me know if you've tried this one, Foster Farms. Yeah, I'm sure it'll be fine. Some other things for the kids is lunches. I have some of these shortbread, these lemon shortbread cookies. I usually open these packs and put them in like 2 cookies per baggie type thing and put them in the drawer so that the kids can just get their own lunches together in the morning. So this will be there. I will also have these fudge grams. Those ones are super good. And these coconut caramel fudges. Oh yes, these are a lot like the Girl Scout cookies. If you're not familiar, these are really good. And all of these are about $1.50 at Winco. What a great price. I did get some restaurant style corn tortilla chips. Paul really likes to have those on hand. They're really great with leftover taco meat. And I also, there's something else behind there for that. Now for me, I got some tuna. I love the tuna that's upside down. So something about the airlocked, or it's all fancy. It's gourmet. I'm so fancy like that. No, I'm the only one in my family that likes tuna salad or tuna sandwiches or tuna salads. So this will last me 2 to 3 days. So that's a good lunch for me. I got these for Ezra. We do have some, just a few more up there. So I thought I'd just get him just a few more, just a little box. So this one's a good flavor. He likes that strawberry one. And then I saw these. Jonas is really liking these Hot Pockets, and I thought I'd get him a flavor that looked decent to me. Just some steak and cheese, and it said high protein. I mean, he's kind of going through where he's growing a lot, so maybe this will help, and he seems to be hungry a lot right now too. Now, when you see this video, it will be the day after Ezra's birthday, so we have to get him some treats for the classroom. But look at how cute those are, little birthday cakes. So he can give those to the preschoolers, and then if he wants to have these instead, I'm giving him a choice. These are like $1.24 or something like that. Just really inexpensive. And that way tomorrow is going to be an extra special day for him. And so we're going to be doing lots of fun things tomorrow too. I got a couple of bags of these strawberries. I have a recipe, so I wanted to keep those on hand in case I want to make them soon. I think we're almost near the end, you guys. Look, it's starting to go away. So right behind me, I got these lemon waters, they really do come out more in the summertime, but they were on sale for 98 cents. So my son was like, we should have bought more. And we probably should have. These are just so good, have a hint of lemon, and this one's actually my favorite one. I've tried the other flavors. This one's my favorite. So that and some potatoes and just some more milk. Then I got stuff to stock up a little bit. So I got some, when I couldn't find it, remember when I was looking for pecan pie stuff filling, I needed this. Not that I'm making pecan pie, but just never know. So I got light and brown. And then I got 2 bags of this teriyaki. This one is really good. So I usually make this with some veggies and some rice on the side. It's perfect go-to meal. Talking about veggies, I forgot I had some corn in there, so I got a couple of those. And then I got just some sloppy Joe sauce. Now I have made a video where I've just made it from scratch, but I'm kind of just thinking like really easy go-to meals. So that sauce will be perfect with the ground beef on top of the fried potatoes or even baked potatoes. I'm still thinking. And I got some more of these, so just some tomato sauces to fill up in our pantry. And there's the nacho cheese. Remember I was saying there was something else for those tortilla chips. And I got some more diced tomatoes, got 4 of those. Now I go through a lot of these, especially if I'm making taco soup or just like any kind of like soup it feels like lately, like a pasta soup or meatball soup or something. Yum. I also got this yellow rice from Zatarain's. Now I'm not a huge, get stuff processed in the box kind of person, but this one is pretty good in a crock pot recipe. My cheesy chicken and rice, it is so good. And they changed the cover on the front. I almost walked right by it. So the yellow rice is super good. Plus it does say it's gluten-free, I believe. Well, our family loves it. I got some more butter because we are running low. Imagine that. All those yummy sauces from Thanksgiving. I used up most of my butter. And I got a bag of semi-sweet and just milk chocolate. I just like to keep those on hand in case I have a recipe that's coming up. And with the holidays coming up, I'm making some cookies. So that. I got this too for the salads, little tortilla strips. These ones looked super good. And let me show you just a really quick snack that I make. Corn tortillas with this ranchero cheese. These are so good together. Let me know if you've had this cheese before. It's not like dry and crumbly. It's like a wet crumble. It is so good. It really brings out the flavor in the corn tortilla. I've had it in flour tortillas and burritos, just in burrito bowls and stuff like that. But something with the corn tortilla and this combination just makes it so good. So that's it, you guys. A lot of times I will eat just a couple of tortillas in the morning with a couple of eggs, and that will be my breakfast. That might be a snack, veggies, apples. I have all of that stuff around. And hopefully I'll keep eating those things too. So I'm just trying to have some salads for the rest of the week or just really easy go-to meals that I know the family will love. So let me know what you think. $175, which was probably closer to $160, but I feel like I got a lot of stuff. So thanks so much for stopping by the channel today. Give this Winco grocery haul a thumbs up. And stick around, rollers. You just never know what I'll be rolling out next. Bye, everyone.